Hello my dear friends. Today we will continue our topic balance of payments. Official reserve account. The overall balance is finally reflected in the official reserve account of the RBI. RBI is the custodian of forex reserves of the country. All forex transactions are routed through the RBI. If overall balance is positive, it causes increases in official reserves. If overall balance is negative, it causes decrease in official reserves. Sometimes official reserves account is shown as a part of capital account rather than a separate account. If officially reserve are shown as a part of capital account of BOP, then BOP always balances, because for the purpose of balancing BOP accounts, increase in official reserve is indicated by a negative sign, while decrease in official reserves is indicated by a positive sign. So BOP shows a perfect balance. Balance of BOP accounts is equal to 0. Equilibrium of BOP, when inflow of foreign exchange is equal to outflow of foreign exchange. Disequilibrium of BOP may be surplus BOP or deficit BOP. Surplus BOP when inflow of foreign exchange is greater than outflow of foreign exchange, or when receipts are greater than payments of the country. Deficit BOP when inflow of foreign exchange is less than outflow of foreign exchange, or when receipts are less than payments of the country. Now we will discuss difference between current account of BOP and capital account of BOP. Current account records receipts and payments of foreign exchange on account of such transactions which do not impact asset liability status of a country in relation to rest of the world. Capital account records receipts and payments of foreign exchange on account of such transactions which cause an impact on asset liability status of a country in relation to rest of the world. Liabilities and assets of a country are neither raised or reduced. In capital account, liabilities and assets of a country either raised or reduced. In current account transactions do not give rise to future claims. Capital account transactions lead to future claims. Components of current account of BOP: export import of goods, export import of services, current transfers, and the components of capital account: borrowing and foreign investment. Current account of BOP is a flow concept as it includes all items of flow nature. Capital account is a stock concept as it includes all items expressing change in stock. Now we will discuss difference between BOP and BOT. BOP is a systematic record of all economic transactions happened between residents of one country and residents of foreign countries during a particular period. Balance of trade is statement showing the net effect of export-import of a country. BOP records both the transactions related to goods and services. BOT records only transactions related to merchandise, means goods transactions. BOP records capital transactions also. BOT does not record capital transactions. BOT is a part of BOP. So BOP includes BOT, balance of services, balance of unilateral transfers, balance of capital transactions also. BOT is a part of current account of BOP. BOP remains balanced in the sense that receipt side is made equal to payment side. BOT may be at favorable, unfavorable or in equilibrium state. Difference between autonomous and accommodating transactions. Autonomous transactions refers to international economic transactions that take place due to some economic motives like earning income and profit maximization. Accommodating transactions refers to transactions that take place to cover deficit or surplus arising from autonomous transactions. They are free from considerations of profit. Autonomous transactions make deficit or surplus in BOP. BOP is in deficit if the autonomous receipts are less than autonomous payments. BOP is in surplus if autonomous receipts are greater than autonomous payments. These transactions are accommodating transactions are balancing in nature. They correct the disequilibrium in autonomous items. Autonomous transactions involve movement of goods across the borders. Accommodating items do not involve the movement of goods across the borders. These movements only involve the movement of official reserves with the RBI. Autonomous items are generally called above the line items in BOP account. Accommodating transactions, these items are called below the line items. Thank you.